Hello everyone. Okay, first of all, don't mind, I'm getting over a cold, okay? Cringe, I'm so sorry. But today's a special day and I had to film this for you guys. I'm trying to do this in live time for real. It's Phoebe Day. It's Phoebe Philo Day. Phoebe Philo is dropping in person at Bergdorf, GOODMAN. How often do I talk about Bergdorf, okay? It's my favorite place in the world. Maybe that's a bit of a strong statement. It's one of my top 5 favorite places in the world, for sure. I cannot wait to bring us there. I figured let's do a quick little outfit detail first. First and foremost, if you guys are new here, thank you so much for tuning in. I can't wait to see you in all of my future videos. Make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram at lelasophia jewelry. I put out videos every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday, and so I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one. Details quickly, and then we have to go. Ricky, I'm so sorry. I'm meeting my friend Ricky. You're gonna meet him. I'm sure he'll love to be on camera. I'm so excited to have you guys meet him. So quickly, little bangles, my ring stack. I'm bringing out the Cartier today, my new 22 karat ring. Don't mind, I should have put more lotion on my hands or re-upped my lotion. My little loved Signet ring, which I love. And my regular bangle stack, regular neck stack. Can you tell I'm out of breath? I'm trying to go, I'm so excited. And my double ear cuffs, can we see up close? Oh, love them. And then outfit, we're going super simple, very, very Phoebe. I'll do a mirror pic so that you can see full length, but it's the lelasophia special. Black kimono, which I love. I always cinch it in the back a little bit. And then obviously bag of the day is none other than the Phoebe Philo for Celine eyelet bag. You can see little tiny Celine there. She's a little smushy, a little misshapen, but I love her so much. I figured black and white, let's just go all out Phoebe Philo, even though that's not even necessarily the aesthetic, that's my version of Phoebe's aesthetic. This is the problem with New York. My living room is only this long, so you're getting, you know, just halfway the Margot effect, okay? I've been loving carrying it like this. When I got back from the Botanical Gardens where I carried this last, I was holding it like this just out of necessity, and I was like, wait, this looks so chic. Mary-Kate, Ashley, you guys know what you do. Okay, you work magic. So this is torso way up. Let's do a little mirror action. Guys, and do we want to know the best part? My walls are fixed. My walls have been fixed, so that's coming in the next vlog, but you know, vlog, who am I? But I have actual walls in my apartment, so you know, when I'm doing my little mirror pics, it doesn't look absolutely ridiculous. Again, New York problems, I'm so sorry. It's just, you know, it's a small space. So here's top to toe. I'm wearing my little snakeskin boots. I did my little side split leggings, my kimono, my Phoebe for Celine eyelet bag. It's a black and white day today. Okay, you guys, we have arrived and I see it already. Are we ready for this? This is pretty iconic. This is my friend Ricky.
What's up, y'all? Oh my god, I'm on the famous channel.
Yes, you're on the channel. And we're here.
Good.
We made it. This is incredible. I think Mary just got this. And those pants. Okay, this is iconic. I kind of need these shoes, I think. Yeah. Can we talk about this? This stunning. Oh, this feels kind of amazing. Wait, oh my god. This is gorgeous, you guys. This is gorgeous, but I need these shoes.
Yeah.
Okay, I couldn't smile, because otherwise
Oh my god.
I go like that, but you guys, I kind of love these. I'm like shaking that I like them so much.
Don't shake.
Ricky?
Yeah.
I mean, there's gonna be your go-to.
I had no idea. And this is actually very chic.
Yeah.
Now I'm like, I got the shaky feeling like, ooh, these are meant to be. Okay, these are so fun. And then I just have to look at this bag. This is not for today. But we're obsessed with her. We're obsessed. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Oh, that one is sick.
She's
That's
cute,
everything.
right? Because it's so, like, look at the brown and black is my vibe. Wait, this is so good. Oh no. Oh, this is so fun. Ricky. I can't believe.
I know you see it.
If you should see my face right now. Guys, doesn't Ricky?
Yeah. Do we?
That's a large, I think, right? Oh my god, look at the... Oh, this is the medium. Wait, so what I picked up was the regular size?
Oh, this one? This is
Yeah, and this is good for, like, you.
No, this is good.
Ricky.
This is the problem. So every time we go out, every bag needs me.
And this is, can we
Well,
talk
I
about
need
how,
every bag.
like, if for those of you guys who haven't seen this in person, obviously, it's the only in person, like, she's large.
She's a big girl.
That is massive. And this is now the larger size of the cabas, is that what it's called? And then Mary, this is for you. Hold on. Wait, Ricky, will you do us the honor of yep. Thank you. Mary. She's calling her name.
She said, Mary.
Okay, from the side, Ricky. It's thick.
Oh.
Wait. And the gig bag is actually, to be honest with you, it's kind of cuter in person. It's really good. Okay, there we go. My goodness. Okay, what did we think? Last final thoughts. 10 out of 10?
10 out of 10.
She did her thing.
We'll be back.
We'll be back. Not too soon because I can't.
feel, but we'll be back.
Well, Ricky, it's next time will be Ricky's turn.
Right.
Okay. Okay.
Because you acted up today.
Child. You guys, how fun was that? Okay. I hope this was okay. Vlogging is not my strong suit anyways, but I need to film an outro showing you what I got. Genuinely was not expecting to buy anything, okay? I already have 2 pairs of the Peak sunglasses. It was so much fun. I've been talking about how much I love oh my god, am I giving it away? I've been talking about how much I love this style. I just didn't think that they would fit, and I kind of can't believe that they did. I just felt it in my soul. I needed to get them. Okay, big box. I can't even believe it. So I'm just gonna leave you with this little unboxing from the first ever Phoebe Philo in-store, in-person shopping experience at Bergdorfs. You guys, you saw them in my vlog, so you guys know exactly what these are. Everything comes the same way, I believe, online, right? I've gotten all of my sunglasses with the same thing. So nice. I love the little cleaning cloth. It's very high quality. But here we are, you guys. These are what I think of as the infamous Bombay sunglasses. Oh my goodness. They didn't have them in the color Fume, which I kind of was curious about, but they had them in the brown color, in the original 2 colors, the brown color, and then the more like, do we think of it as yellowy? I don't know. And I ran to these and I tried them on and I said, oh my god, I need these. Like, I don't know if they look insane. They might look insane. Hold on, let me remove this tag before we do a whole try-on session. Okay, much better because these are staying with me. Okay, I'm stepping back. Actually, they're even more comfortable than I think. Here's the thing about me, and you know, I don't know, being mixed race, a lot of things, I don't have the biggest nose bridge in the world, so sunglasses, yeah, sunglasses can be a little bit difficult, but these, I said these are a vibe. They're also so comfortable. They're wider. Here's the thing. Here's where I can compare and contrast. They're actually wider than the Peak sunglasses. Hold on, let me show you to compare. Okay, because now I have the 2 Peak sunglasses. For those of you guys who haven't seen, I have the black. I got those in the first drop. I have the really cool striped tortoiseshell, and now I have these. Literally, if I put these on, ready for this, First of all, they're shorter this way. They look so cool. So they're actually quite comfortable and they fit better on the bridge of my nose, but if I were to try it, like I couldn't even, they won't even stay. I couldn't even wear them like that on the top of my head. These are literally like ski goggles, and they're ski goggles. Let me say that correctly. These are like ski goggles. Somehow that's hard to say, but I'm obsessed. How do we feel? Am I a crazy person? I kind of can't believe that I bought these. I can't believe it. I don't know who I think I am. I kept saying that and Ricky was like, girl, let's not apologize. I feel like you see the real me when you shop with me for the first time. But I got that feeling in my soul that I had to have them. Anyway, I'm rambling. What do you guys think? Sorry for the ring light, but yeah, we need to show these in actual good lighting. It's raining today. Today is not the day. Follow me on social media. This is not my plug. I normally don't say this, but I'll make sure on my Instagram to film these again on a sunnier day so you can see them. Mary, we're twinning! I know, I've mentioned you so many times in the shopping vlog because I just felt you here with me in spirit. And whenever you do come to New York, I will be here if you want to go again together, okay? I'm kind of obsessed with these. How do we feel? Wasn't expecting to get anything, but I loved it that much. It's not just the 4th floor. We'll go over it in another video all together, but there's the 4th floor, which I think is gonna stay there for a while from what I know. From what I heard, I just asked a couple people, and then there's a whole section of bags on the 1st floor, so this is good to know. She's here to stay. Accessories and all, and I think a lot of the drops are gonna drop as well in person, so Bergdorfs is the place. And you guys, thank you so much truly for coming along with me to the Phoebe Philo release in person at Bergdorfs. If you can't tell, I'm a little jumbled, you know, it was exciting. It was so exciting. I'm excited. I hope you guys are too. I can't wait to hear your thoughts down below, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye guys.